Most best AI note-taker videos compare tools built for corporate meetings. But if you're a student, your hardest moments to capture aren't scheduled Zoom calls, it's the professor's aside about what's actually on the exam, the study group solving a problem out loud, the office hours explanation that finally makes it click. None of those announce themselves in advance. Quick subscribe if you want more honest AI tool breakdowns like this. For students whose classes, labs, and study groups happen mostly in person, Fieldy is the strongest fit. It's worn, so it's already running when something worth capturing happens. You're not deciding to hit record, it's just there. I've tested it extensively on this channel, real-time transcription, instant summaries, action items, and it also has a desktop app for online lectures, so hybrid semesters land in one searchable account. If your program is mostly online, or you're on a tight budget, Otter's free tier is a solid starting point, no hardware cost, and solid transcription for clear lecture audio through Zoom or Google Meet. I haven't partnered with Otter, so there's no link from me here, just search it directly if you want to try it. Plaud, especially the Notepin S, is the strongest option if you want your notes to come out in a consistent, structured format every time. It has a huge library of templates built for exactly that. It's less about all-day coverage and more about deliberate, planned sessions where formatted notes matter more than catching every unscheduled moment. Worth a quick mention, there's also Pocket, a phone-mounted device around $129 with unmetered standard transcription. I haven't tested it hands-on yet, so I won't rank it fully here, but it's worth knowing about if unlimited free transcription is your priority. On cost, if Otter's free tier covers your recording volume, don't spend anything. The case for hardware shows up when you need coverage Otter can't give you, or when metered minutes run out mid-lecture. Fieldy's $129 at checkout with 150 free minutes monthly, or unlimited at just under $16 a month if you're recording constantly. Plaud's Notepin S is $179, worth it specifically for the template system. So here's the honest breakdown. Fieldy if your semester happens mostly in person and you want one searchable record of everything. Otter if you're fully online and budget matters most. Plaud if structured, template-formatted notes matter more to you than all-day coverage. There's no single winner here, just the tool that actually matches how your semester works. Links to Fieldy and Plaud are in the description. Subscribe if you want more honest AI tool comparisons. See you in the next one.